guys sticking around. I know I didn't upload last week, and I apologize. But key factors, that shooting that happened in El Paso last weekend kind of hit me harder than I thought it would. And I just kind of like, I didn't feel right. You know, I wasn't in the mood to upload anything, so I still have that footage though. But anyway, welcome back. Thank you. And real short video. All I'm doing today is taking one of the, if I can say it right, caps off the rods for the piston. That might not be the right term for it, but taking the cap off so Josh can pop the piston out, make sure the rings are set the way they're supposed to, so when we do boost it, I'm not going down the street quarter mile, getting on it, coming back, putting another engine in. So we take this 5 minutes, check that out, make sure it's good, and rather than spend another 2-3 months waiting for another engine. But anyway, let me pull the motor out and so I think I'm gonna go with number 2 piston. I need to turn the crank, get it in place, take the bolts out, and I'm just gonna take it and leave it as is. Have him push the piston. I don't want to mess with none of that stuff. He's probably gonna kill me for this, but right. Good.
Yep.
Alright, so there's no 12-point socket, or I can't find it. I guess I'll Mr. Arizona, like in Fast and the Furious. If you can't find what you're looking for in this shop, you don't belong here. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this back where it was. Go home. That'll be piston number 2. Get you guys up close, see what I'm doing on here. Well, perfect. I wish there was more light. You guys could actually get down in here and see what I'm doing. Yeah, there we go. Man. Usually, rule of thumb is you don't just take one bolt out. Simultaneously remove them. I got to be careful with this too, because the bearings are in there. Don't want to have to go rebuilding the whole thing. Because I messed up the bearing taking it out. This is so tight. So I've installed motors before, changed parts on them, but going this far in depth, I usually always take it to the shop. So okay, that's for that side. You know what? I'm gonna just leave them in there loose. I'll give them a call, let them know, hey, I got them loose. I honestly don't want to mess with this. I've put too much time and money into that. So, all right, that's it for today. I didn't want to pry the cap, the connecting rod cap, to take it off. So I took the bolts out. I'm gonna hit Josh up tomorrow, let him know, hey, the bolts are out. I left them in there. Just gotta take the cap off. I'm no engine builder. Those bearings are very delicate. I don't want to mess with them. So I'm gonna leave that to him. But anyway, I'm gonna say this early in the video because I have a little surprise coming for you after this, if you didn't catch the intro. Went out, got invited to a private shoot and shot a little video with the guys. Hooked up with another guy who had a drone. We're gonna collab a little bit. You guys see what he's doing also. Also look out for Jordan's 240SX S13 with an LS swap. And he's gonna be going on to a drift event here soon. But hey, that's it. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. And I hope you guys will go ahead and pick up some shirts. Help fund the bill. Without you guys, I really can't do it. So thank you guys for watching. Please share the videos, subscribe, tell your friends and family. Doing something great over here. I know it's taking time, but again, thank you. And I'll see you guys next week.